What if the future of digital agencies was already here, and you just didn't know it? Welcome to the rapidly evolving world of digital marketing, where artificial intelligence is becoming the game changer. It's an exciting era, with upcoming trends set to revolutionize the landscape even further. From AI-driven content creation to predictive analytics, the digital agencies of tomorrow are being shaped today. So, get ready for a journey into the heart of this transformation. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of a successful digital agency that has embraced the future. Imagine the success of a digital agency that has fully embraced AI. That's not a dream, it's a reality. There's a digital marketing agency, let's call them Agency X. Now, Agency X has taken the leap and fully integrated artificial intelligence into its operations. This isn't just about having a few automated processes here and there, but a comprehensive, across-the-board application of AI. Take data analysis, for instance. In the past, sifting through mountains of consumer data was a daunting task, and it was easy to miss key insights. Now, with AI, Agency X can quickly process vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that would take a human team weeks, if not months, to uncover. This allows the agency to make informed decisions faster and with greater precision. But AI isn't just about crunching numbers, it's also revolutionizing content creation. Agency X uses AI to generate blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts. This isn't about replacing creative minds, but rather freeing them up to focus on bigger, more strategic ideas. With AI handling the routine tasks, the human team can spend their time on the kind of high-level creative thinking that AI can't replicate. And what about customer service? Well, Agency X has got that covered too. Their AI-powered chatbots provide instant, personalized responses to customer queries, 24/7. These chatbots can handle a wide range of questions, and if they encounter something they can't answer, they seamlessly hand over to a human agent. This blend of AI and human interaction ensures that customers always get the help they need when they need it. The impact of all this on Agency X's efficiency, productivity, and profitability has been dramatic. Tasks are completed faster with fewer errors. The team is more engaged because they're not bogged down with routine tasks. And the bottom line? Well, let's just say that Agency X is doing very well indeed. As we can see, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for digital agencies. Digital agencies are not static entities, they evolve with time and technology, so what does the future hold? As we move deeper into the digital age, it's clear that digital agencies will play an increasingly important role in shaping our world. But what exactly will these agencies look like in the future? What trends can we expect to see? First and foremost, expect to see AI taking center stage. Artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize the digital agency landscape. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, predict consumer behavior, and create personalized marketing strategies in real time. It can also automate mundane tasks, freeing up time for creatives to do what they do best, create. Next, we have personalization. In an era of information overload, consumers crave relevant, tailored content. This is where digital agencies come in. They have the tools and expertise to create highly personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with individual consumers on a deep level. This trend is only set to grow as technology advances and consumer expectations rise. Predictive analytics is another trend to watch. By analyzing past performance and current data, digital agencies can anticipate future outcomes. This allows them to make informed decisions and take proactive measures, rather than simply reacting to events as they occur. But it's not just about embracing new technology and trends. To thrive in the future, digital agencies must also foster a culture of continuous learning and innovation. They need to stay ahead of the curve, anticipate changes, and adapt quickly. This requires a willingness to take risks, experiment with new ideas, and learn from failures. So, what does this all mean for you? Whether you're a business owner looking to hire a digital agency or a professional working within one, it's vital to understand these trends. They will shape the future of digital agencies and, by extension, the wider business landscape. The future is bright, but only for those ready to adapt and innovate. Remember, change is the only constant in the digital world. Embrace it, and you'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting journey ahead. Now you might be wondering, how can I set up a successful digital agency that's future ready? Well, the first step is embracing AI. Artificial intelligence is more than just a buzzword, it's a tool that's revolutionizing the digital landscape. AI can automate tasks, provide insights, and enhance your agency's services. But remember, it's not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting their abilities and freeing up their time to focus on more strategic tasks. Staying up to date with trends is another crucial factor. The digital world is dynamic, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. So, keep an eye on the horizon and be ready to pivot. Follow thought leaders, attend webinars, read industry reports, and always be in the know. This way you can offer your clients the latest and the best. Next, let's talk about customer service. In the digital era, customer experience is king. It's no longer enough to just deliver a service. You need to create a memorable experience. So, invest in a customer-centric culture. Train your team to empathize with clients, listen to their needs, and go the extra mile to meet them. Remember, a satisfied customer is your best marketing tool. And finally, invest in continuous learning and development. The skills that got you here won't keep you here. The digital world is evolving rapidly, and so should your team's skills. Encourage a culture of learning. Provide training, foster curiosity, and reward innovation. This way, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're staying ahead of them. To sum it up, setting up a successful digital agency is about embracing AI, staying informed, focusing on customer service, and investing in learning. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about innovation, not imitation. Remember, you're not just building a business, you're building a brand. And in the digital world, your brand is your promise to your customer, so make it a good one. Success in the digital world isn't about being the biggest, it's about being the most adaptable. In the rapidly evolving world of digital marketing, the only constant is change. We've journeyed through the exciting future of digital agencies where artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, but a game changer. We've glimpsed at predictions, painting a picture of a dynamic landscape ahead. And we've explored the key ingredients in setting up a successful digital agency. The essence here is adaptability, staying ahead of the curve, and embracing the innovations that come our way. Remember, the future isn't something to fear, it's something to embrace. So, are you ready to embrace the future of digital agencies?